Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is I'm showing my brain notes in Roblox. This is my brain notes. Last Grande Jubilation 10 million seconds 1 billion. My goal Kalimut Lava Carillo Watermelon Kilo Mythic 80k in seconds 3 million. I abot to the Grande Domination. This one again. My last domination. My private server. You want to go in my private server to play my brain notes? Yes, search to my server. My name is Neta. In brain notes private server. No people in my server. I hope you join to my server. This is my first guys. I hope this is my favorite. This one gold diamond will be double dito to continuito. This is my pot. Tartaruga Cisterna Rhinotron. This is secret. May secret pa dito. Secret. That is guys. See you next video. Like and subscribe you want a new video. Goodbye guys. I hope you are guys join to my private server. Goodbye guys. See you next video.